Well, today across South Carolina, you might have seen a lot of law enforcement personnel out on the highways. It was all for a hurricane evacuation exercise. That included the Low Country, where they were stationed on shoulders and exits to make sure people are aware of those evacuation routes on how to get out if a storm would hit. WTOC's traffic anchor Joe Hennessy speaking with the state trooper about why now is the right time to have this annual practice run.
The exercise in the Low Country that impacts us focuses on Highway 278 in Hilton Head and Highway 21 in Beaufort. Now, roads are not actually being reversed and intersections are not blocked, but when that time comes, people will need to drive anywhere from 20 to 50 miles inland to find a safe space. Today's exercise uses officials and equipment from the Department of Public Safety, SCDOT, the state's law enforcement division, and more on roadways. The Civil Air Patrol, the state's DNR, and the state's Forestry Commission are helping in the sky, flying aerial surveillance routes as well. Trooper William Bennett urges people to follow signage and drive cautiously. The exercise is also a reminder to have your car checked now and have an emergency kit ready. When the day comes that a hurricane impacts us, state officials ask drivers to follow the blue hurricane evacuation signage on the roadways and avoid using a GPS. As we've covered before, a lot of people moving to South Carolina who may not know these guidelines that can save lives by moving efficiently away from the coast.
You need to know all this information well before a storm comes. So in the unfortunate event that it happens, that you know what you need to do.
The South Carolina Emergency Management Division's website has a search tool to show you exactly what zone you are in by putting in your address to help. Today's exercise went from 8 this morning to 3 this afternoon.
Thank you, Joe. And remember, download the free WTOC First Alert weather app to receive all of your weather updates for all of the Low Country and Coastal Empire. Well, concern over a breakdown of communication